Hi everyone, this is Case Study Insights with TracerCo. Today I'm going to quickly walk you through an application of our TrueGrid and our ThruVision technology to better help you understand and diagnose liquid maldistribution in your pack tower. But first, let's go over how the technology works. In the presence of a pack tower, we perform a TrueGrid scan. And given that there's not an active area, we'll perform 4 separate scans in a tic-tac-toe pattern and overlay the data. And for a deeper insight, we can perform a ThruVision scan. Done horizontally, we pick a single elevation and we move around the vessel, taking 81 independent measurements. These measurements are run through a fourth-order polynomial on a regression curve to produce a tomographic image or a CAT scan like you see here. This gives you a precise understanding of the liquid distribution and or the presence of buildup within the tower. In this application, the specific value add was the operation's ability to maximize their design rates and achieve the desired separation efficiency. The client had undergone a revamp of their 45-meter tall, 6-meter in diameter distillation tower. During the revamp, they had removed old distributors and packed beds to replace them with a more efficient design. But when starting up, the tower was abnormally unstable. They were unable to increase the feed to design rates while maintaining product quality. There were numerous internal steps taken to identify and confirm that each bed was operating poorly, but they could not determine the reason for poor performance. So to help them diagnose the issue, they reached out to TracerCo. The results of the TrueGrid shown in Figure 2 show no evidence of mechanical damage, but did show slight liquid maldistribution in every bed, although the maldistribution was not severe enough to justify poor efficiency. The client wanted a precise capture of the distribution pattern, so we performed a ThruVision scan. And the results of the scan in Figure 3 show a large amount of liquid channeling down the center of the bed. This confirmed the liquid maldistribution problem was the reason for the reduction in efficiency rather than poor packing performance. The information we provided led personnel to shut down the tower and inspect the distributors, where they found an error in distributor installation. After correcting the issue, the tower restarted without incident, and they were able to push the tower to maximum design rates and desired separation efficiency was achieved. To learn more about our customer insights and how we can help your operation solve problems, you can go to tracerco.com/downloads/case studies.